Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're taking a photo from your iPhone and it's too dark or it looks like a painting, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Mostly this problem is happen in iPhone FC3, iPhone 13, 14 and above models. So what we have to do, we have to launch settings. iPhone models, we have to scroll, find and tap on camera, and under camera there is a option photo capture. Under photo capture you will see photographic style. We have to tap on it. Next page, we have to make sure that the standard slide or standard style is selected. We have to enable keep normal photo. After this troubleshoot, we have to go back to settings, and here we have to tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. Then go back to general. Here we have to tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Now we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm this process. If this is not working, then it could be a hardware problem. So call to the Apple Service Center for more assistance. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.